Reg, pagkatapos ngayong araw, bukod sa nanay at tatay ni Justin, kung mayroon mang unang tao na magpapalakas ng loob ni Justin, magsasabi sa kanya na kaya mo yan, naniniwala ko sa iyo. Walang iba kundi ikaw. Justin, when you appreciate Reggie Ann as a gift from God, as your companion, as your best friend, it means you raise her value as a woman. Sometimes appreciating little things really matters. When a person feels appreciated, they will do more. They will do more. Justin and Reg, congratulations. 10 years was not an easy journey. But the Lord has been good. He is so good. And you have to build your marriage in God's way. Not our own way, but in God's way. Reg and Justin never stop dreaming. The good news today, it is official. Mr. and Mrs. Alvarado na po. Hindi ka na nag-iisa. Dalawa na kayo susong sa panibagong journey ng buhay. Your parents, they know there are hardships. Your principal sponsors, they know it is not a better process. However, you have to persevere. You need to. You should. And when you work together, you will accomplish more. When you build up one another, you heal each other. Congratulations for your beautiful wedding. Indeed, it is a dream wedding with your loved ones. And we pray after today, you would also desire beautiful marriage as well. A marriage not just for personal happiness, but also for the glory of Christ as you fulfill your duties or responsibilities as husband and wife. You can give without love, but you cannot love without living. Ang sabi ng iba, mag-aasawa ay kapiraso lamang ng papel. It is not. But it is a covenant created not by men, but by God. A covenant not only for both of you, but with Him as the head of your partnership. Congratulations and best wishes. And now may I request Justin and Reg to please stand.